For millions, New York Harbor was the final gateway to a new life. They arrived carrying hope, family names, photographs, and everything they could not leave behind. But not every journey ended safely beneath New York's welcoming skyline. Storms, collisions, lost cargo, forgotten wrecks, all became part of the harbor's hidden history.
And freedom. But the dark, unforgiving waters around her became a deadly barrier for others, and some of their stories remain unsolved to this day.
A suitcase could hold an entire life. A few clothes, an address in America, a photograph of the family left behind. And sometimes, one fading image is all that remains of a dream that never reached the shore.
To this day.
Some stories disappear from the records, others remain beneath the water, waiting to be found. Keep exploring, because the next forgotten story may be closer than you think.